If you are planning a seaside wedding, you could paint some seashells and use them to decorate the wedding venue with. Let's try a few different patterns to see what might work best for your wedding. We are using a gold-colored metallic marker in this video, but you could use silver, rose gold, or any other color. Let's paint the edge of the first shell. You could add another line, parallel to the edge. Vertical lines, painted alongside the natural ridges, will also look nice. You could paint the narrow part of the shell, and you could add some extra lines. Dots are easy to paint, and will add a playful element. To add a romantic element, you could paint a heart on each shell. For an easy option, draw random lines onto each shell. You could paint the whole shell, turning the entire surface gold. Let's try one more. We will paint the wide part of the shell. Here are all our designs. You could pick just one, a few of them, or all of them. The painted shells could be used to decorate wedding tables, or could be glued onto table seating plans, place cards, or menus. They could be also glued on top of favor boxes, or onto your wedding guest book. For more DIY videos and to learn more about our courses, please visit www.weddingcraftsacademy.com.